everyone. Today we shall read Unit 3. I knew where Pepe kept his van at night. I waited until about 11 o'clock at night. Then I crept out of the house and down to Pepe's van. There was no one around when I reached the van. I forced the door open and shone my torch around inside. So the speaker thought that Jerome Dadian got 100 marks or full marks in math due to the ice cream of Mr. Pepe. So he decided to find out what had actually happened in reality. So he started investigation because the speaker knew where Mr. Pepe kept his van at night. He waited for 11 o'clock at night. Then he crept out of the house. That means he crept out মানে হচ্ছে তোমার কি বলবো হামাগুড়ি দিয়ে লুকিয়ে লুকিয়ে বাড়ি থেকে এলো. So he crept out from his house and down to Pepe's van. Then he came towards Pepe's van. There was no one around when he reached the van. So there was nobody to watch or look at at the speaker. Then he opened the door and shone his torch around an inside van. I had never seen so many tubes of ice cream. So the speaker found out so many tubes of ice cream. Before there were apple and banana, cherry and mango, blackberry and watermelon, and about 50 other flavors. So inside the ice cream van there were nearly 50 flavors. They were banana, cherry, mango, blackberry, watermelon, all these things. Right at the end of the van were 4 beans. So at the end of the van there were 4 beans. So it suggests that the 4 beans were special beans. Okay, it was just as I thought. So the speaker thought there was something special. So he also found out those things. These were his special flavors. So the speaker at last found out that these 4 ice cream beans were special flavors. Each one had a writing on the top. So not only the tube, but there are written on the top what kind of ice cream they are. This is what they said. So what is written or what was written in those tubes? Happy ice cream for cheering people up. So happy ice cream for cheer up people. Nose ice cream for long noses. Pimple ice cream for remove pimples. And smart ice cream for getting smart. So these are the 4 tubes. Okay, and they have different works. Now I knew his secret. Now the speaker found out the secret. Dadian had been eating smart ice cream. That's how he got 100 for math. So the speaker at last found out that Jerome Dadian was eating or taking smart ice cream. So he became smart in math. Thereafter I decided to finish off the matter. So he decided to finish off the matter. I put some sand that I carried with me into every bean in the fan. So the speaker was so jealous that he put sands in every bean in the van except for the smart ice cream. So he left only the smart ice cream. Next I looked at the smart ice cream. I decided to eat some. Next the speaker was so greedy, so jealous that he decided to eat the smart ice cream. Not that I needed it, I was quite smart already. So here it is reflected that the speaker is quite confident. You may say that he is overconfident. Anyway, I gave it a try. Then he ate the smart ice cream. I ate the lot and he took the ice cream much quantity. Okay, অনেকটা খেলো. I started, I couldn't stop. সে খেতেই থাকলো খেতে আরম্ভ করলো তো খেতেই থাকলো. It tasted good. The ice cream was good quality and it was delicious, and above all the ice cream was so tasty. At last I left the van and went home to bed. Then he went to his house and went to bed, but I couldn't sleep. To tell the truth, I did not feel too good. I think I have made a mistake. এবার শোবার সময় ওর মনে হচ্ছে দূর আমার কিরকম যেন একটা হচ্ছে, আমি নিশ্চয়ই কোনো ভুল করেছি. Due to our greed, we eat too much. If we go for a function or a party, then we feel not so good. সেই রকমভাবে স্পিকারেরও কি হয়েছিল, আইসক্রিমও লোভে পড়ে খেয়েছে আরও স্মার্ট হবে বলে, কিন্তু খেয়ে ওর আর ভালো লাগছে না. At last I left the van and went home to bed. আচ্ছা সেটা তো হলো. It is the next day now. Something is happening to me. Don't feel quite as smart. I have been trying to do a real hard sum. It is 1 and 1. What does 1 and 1 make? Is it there? Is it 3 or is it 4? So see, the last para is not written in general English. It is written in a queer manner. It suggests that the speaker has become dull now. He cannot even calculate 2 or 2, 4 or what happened. Okay, so what does 1 and 1 make? 1 and 1 মিলে কত হয় সেটাও ক্যালকুলেট করতে পারছে না. So this is the weird story or amusing story that after taking the smart ice cream the speaker became dull. So we have finished the chapter.